Construction site taking flight. Construction site taking flight. 6 truck friends are on their way to start a brand new job today. They're off to work and feeling strong, but traffic's slow. The lines are long. They can barely roll along. This whole airport is way too small. Everyone must sit and wait on streets, on runways, at the gate, and everyone is running late. There should be a bigger road to handle all this traffic load. The airport should be bigger too, so everyone can zip right through. This will be one massive mission. Build a big airport addition. So many trucks they've never seen and awesome airplanes in between. They wave hello and then they're gone. No one slows or stops for long. The airport's an exciting place. The ground crew keeps a speedy pace. There's a lot for them to do. Construction trucks get busy too. First excavator starts to roll. He digs and scoops to make a hole. A huge foundation, wide and deep, and a giant soil heap. Loader joins the team today, and dump truck hauls the dirt away. A jet plane flies in from the sky, touches down and lands nearby. She slowly taxis to her marks, pulls right in, then stops and parks. Belt loader pulls up to the side and loads of luggage get a ride. She takes suitcases off the plane, then all aboard the baggage train. Now here comes tractor, off to tow the luggage where it needs to go. Bulldozer revs and pushes strong and clears a path 2 miles long. Cement mixer pours some fresh concrete, then spreads it out all nice and neat. With more runways for planes to land, this airport's starting to expand. Hydrant dispenser fills fuel tanks. The grateful airplanes all say thanks. Tug pulls the plane away to tech. It's time for this one's maintenance check. In the sky and on the ground, there are airplanes all around. While airplanes wait their turns to fly, the trucks keep working hard nearby. When this job is finally done, no more delays for anyone. Cargo plane is taking flight, hauling tons with strength and might. Now rubber removal machine is getting runways nice and clean. Rolling, spinning with his scrubber, erasing airplane tire rubber. He polishes the landing strip to help make sure the planes won't slip. Jumbo Jet's trip is beginning. She takes off with fan blades spinning. Crane truck sees her flying past. He's nearly finished. He's nearly finished here at last. While crane truck's lifting loads today, lift truck works too, not far away. She drives right in and stops before she lifts up to the airplane door. Crane truck sees what she can do. I see you like to lift things too. Skid steer carries heavy stacks. She rolls on wheels or on tracks. With attachment for each chore, she can lift and push and more. Her grapple helps her haul a beam. She works so hard to help the team. Everyone is on the go when suddenly it starts to snow, an unexpected springtime storm. Quickly, snowdrifts start to form, and soon the snow is really high. The runway's covered, planes can't fly. Snow removal team, let's roll. They all line up to take control. Snow plows gather, then attack, and sweepers whirling round the back. And here comes the mighty blowers, awesome roaring snowdrift throwers. Now tankers all roll in and spray some stuff that melts the ice away. At last, the runway's clear. This job is done. The airplanes cheer. Construction trucks then lend a hand so ground crew trucks can work as planned. The de-icing truck now clears the snow and ice from planes so they can go. She lifts her boom into the sky. She aims and sets the pressure high. With sprayers blasting at full power, planes get a de-icing shower. From nose to tail, she sprays each one. The sky's clear at last as the last plane is done. This project was a soaring feat, and now this giant job's complete. The airport crew all wave goodbye. Thanks, now we can really fly. So another workday ends. These teams were strangers. Now they're friends. While plane lights twinkle overhead, hard-working trucks roll into bed, drift off to sleep, and dream of flight. Good work, big trucks. Now, shh. Good night. The